Welcome all of you in this online video lecture series. Today's Today we have to discuss determination of percentage purity, that is percentage purity practical. We have to discuss our percentage purity of tetraamine copper sulfate. The aim of this experiment is determination of percentage purity of sample containing tetraamine copper second sulfate by using given solution of sodium thiosulfate. म्हणजेच आपण काय करायचं आहे की या प्रॅक्टिकलमध्ये आपल्याला पर्सेंटेज प्युरिटी आपल्याला दिलेल्या सॅम्पलमधले आपल्याला काय काढायचे डिटरमाइन करायचे आहे. तर आपण अशासोबत टायट्रेट करणार आहे बाय युजिंग व्हॉल्युमेट्रिक मेथड. तर आपण याच्यासाठी आपण व्हॉल्युमेट्रिक मेथडचा उपयोग करून आपण काय काढणार आहे पर्सेंटेज प्युरिटी. तर आपल्याला सॅम्पल एक दिलं जाईल. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट काय आपला गिवन सॅम्पल. आता ते सॅम्पल कोणत्या प्रकारचं असते ते आपण बघूया. मिक्सचर ऑफ टेट्राअमाइन कॉपर सेकंड सल्फेट और कॉपर सल्फेट .5H2 म्हणजे कॉपर सल्फेटचा जो कॉम्प्लेक्स असतो तो कॉपर SO4 5H2 अशा प्रकारे बनलेला असतो. अँड पोटॅशियम सल्फेट आणि पोटॅशियम सल्फेटचं काय असतं मिक्सचर असते. दे आर मिक्स्ड इन द रेशो ऑफ 80:20 और 60:40%. म्हणजेच काय टेट्राअमाइन कॉपर सल्फेट एकतर 80% असणार आणि पोटॅशियम सल्फेटचं क्वांटिटी 20% असणार. असं 80-20चं तुम्हाला प्रपोर्शनमध्ये सॅम्पल दिलेलं असते. तसंच 60-40चं सुद्धा दुसऱ्या प्रकारचं एक सॅम्पल आपल्याला दिलं जाते. त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा सेम प्रपोर्शन 60% टेट्राअमाइन कॉपर सल्फेट आणि 40% तुमचा पोटॅशियम सल्फेट हा काय असणार सॅम्पल असणार आहे. सो वी हॅव टू डिटरमाइन हाऊ मच पर्सेंटेज ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट प्रेझेंट इन द गिवन मिक्सचर. तर यावरून आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे की दिलेल्या मिक्सचरमध्ये किती प्रमाणात तुमचं कॉपर प्रेझेंट आहे ते आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे डिटरमाइन करायचं आहे. पर्सेंटेज प्युरिटी इज द पर्सेंटेज ऑफ प्युअर कंपाऊंड इन अँड इम्प्युअर सॅम्पल. पर्सेंटेज प्युरिटीमध्ये आपण काय बघतो पर्सेंटेज प्युरिटी इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ अ प्युअर कंपाऊंड इन अ सॅम्पल डिवायडेड बाय टोटल मास ऑफ इम्प्युअर सॅम्पल मल्टिप्लाय बाय 100. या फॉर्म्युल्याचा उपयोग करून आपण काय काढू शकतो पर्सेंटेज प्युरिटी आपण काय करू शकतो डिटरमाइन करू शकतो. दिस इज द सॅम्पल ऑफ copper second sulfate. This is a blue color sample given in this image is a copper sulfate sample, or this is a copper sulfate monohydrate compound. This is a blue in color. Next is a tetraamine copper second sulfate. This is a coordination compound in which 4 ammonia ligands are bound with copper second. These nitrogen atoms are ligands. These 4 nitrogen atoms act as a ligand. They donate its lone pair of electron to copper. So this is a coordination compound in which copper act as a central metal atom and 4 ammonia ligand act as a 4 ammonia molecules act as a ligand. So this is a coordination compound which is denoted in the closed bracket as like this. So in this practical we have to require some stock solutions. 0.05 normal sodium thiosulfate solution. The actual structure of sodium thiosulfate solution is like this: Na2S2O3 5H2. The molar mass of sodium thiosulfate solution is 248.18 grams per mole. So we know normality is equal to gram equivalent weight of solute per liter of solution. So we required gram equivalent. So gram equivalent is equal to molecular weight divided by acidity or basicity. So gram equivalent weight of sodium thiosulfate solution is 248.18 gram. So we required 1 normal sodium thiosulfate solution of 1 liter. So we weight 248.18 gram sodium thiosulfate solution and make its volume by adding distilled water 1 liter. So this is become 1 normal sodium thiosulfate solution. But we have to prepare 0.05 normal 1 liter sodium thiosulfate solution. We take 12.09 gram of sodium thiosulfate solution and make the volume 1 liter. We also required for this experiment 10% Ki solution. How this 10% solution is prepared? Weight 10 gram of Ki and make its volume 100 ml by using distilled water. So we make 10% Ki solution. Procedure of this practical. In this practical, they given 80:20 ratio, that is 80% pure compound mixed with 20% impure compound, or maybe 60% pure compound with 40% impure compound. From this sample, either sample A or sample B, we have mentioned 80:20 is a sample A and 60:40 as a sample B. From this sample we have to take 1.3 to 1.7 gram of sample, and this sample dissolve in distilled water and make dilution 250 ml in volumetric flask by adding 10 ml dilute H2SO4 solution. Then from the above diluted solution we have to pipette out 25 ml diluted solution in conical flask and then add 1:1 ammonia to get blue precipitate. Then this solution add dilute acetic acid until to just dissolve the precipitate. If we add ammonia we get blue precipitate. Then we have to add dilute acetic acid drop wise just to dissolve the precipitate. Then add 10 ml 10% Ki solution. Titrate this against 0.5 normal sodium thiosulfate solution, which is filled in burette by using starch indicator. We get endpoint as a blue to colorless. If you take sample A, that is which contains 80:20 ratio, then burette reading comes as 9 to 10 ml. If you take sample B, that is 60:40%, then burette reading comes as 7 to 8 ml. For the calculation of percentage purity by using volumetric method, suppose 1 ml of 0.05 normal, that is N/20 sodium thiosulfate solution required 0.01229 gram of copper complex, that is copper sulfate complex. So if our burette reading is here mentioned as xml, for example our burette reading comes 9.5, so we have to put 9.5 ml in the x. So x ml of 0.05 normal sodium thiosulfate solution is equal to 0.01229 multiplied by constant burette reading, that is a gram of copper complex. Now 25 ml diluted solution of complex is equal to a gram of copper complex. Here 25 due to we have to pipette out 25 ml of solution, because here 25, because we have to pipette out 25 ml of given diluted solution. So a gram of copper complex. Now we have to dilute 250 ml of the solution. So 250 ml diluted solution of complex is equal to a gram of copper complex multiplied by 10. So we get b gram of copper complex. So in this 250 ml diluted solution we have to get b gram of copper complex. Now if W gram of sample, that is weight, if we take a sample and weight, for example we have to take 1.4 gram, so substitute weight as 1.4 gram in the place of W. Therefore 100 gram of sample is equal to 100 multiplied by B divided by weight of the sample, that is C, that is equal to percentage. So percentage purity of that compound. Calculation of volume of N by 20 sodium thiosulfate solution equivalent to 0.150 gram of sample. So W divided by 10 gram of sample is equal to x ml of 0.05 normal sodium thiosulfate solution. So 0.150 gram of sample is equal to 0.150 multiplied by x. X is a constant Biuret reading, multiplied by 10 divided by W. So we get volume in ml.